Hey, it's minus 26 Celsius outside right now. I'm on Verona Free Methodist Church, and we can see their boiler system is running this morning. It's cold enough that you can see their oil smoke coming out of their chimney. This one here looks like is the one for their basement. You can see the thing running. Hear the furnace, hear the burner running, hear it? Fogging up my camera lens, see. So that thing's burning. It's minus 26 degrees Celsius right now. It's really cold out. Crispy. And you can see the furnace running. The smoke's going out of the exhaust pipe. And let's see if this one's running. And the other furnaces are running as well too. And it's burning. We're at Verona Free Methodist Church in Verona, Ontario. The sun's coming up. And the furnace is running. I believe they have 3 furnaces. There's one furnace for the front of the church, and then there's a second furnace for the rear end of the church, and then there's a third furnace for the basement. So we got like 3 furnaces. This is not the very exciting video, but I thought I'd get a video of the furnace running because it's so cold outside that you can actually see the burner running. This was running as well too. Almost slipped. Look at that thing running.